When brewing coffee, you may notice that the coffee urn isn't filling all the way. If you do notice this happening, check your spray head. If you do notice this happening, check your spray head. If there is indeed scale buildup in the holes, use the manufacturer cleaning tool to clean them. If the tool is not provided, the tip of scissors work in the same manner. Take the pointed end of the tool and place in one of the holes on the spray head. Rotate the tool in a twisting motion to remove the scale, then rinse out the spray head under water. On the spray head, there should be a 3-digit number beginning with 0. For hot coffee brewers, the number should read 098. And for iced coffee brewers, the number should read 078. Locate the proper spray head for the correct brewer and install. Run a test brew with water to make sure the level is correct. The level should be at the gallon and a half mark. If the level is correct, drain out the water and brew product.